Now the belt. You see, what I did was first of all cut a long strap about 1 meter 30 centimeters, something like that, and then I did the pattern there on paper. It's 1.5 inches wide, and make all my measurements in inches for make it fit as I wanted. So there is all those little square there, and you have already some holes there for the rivets for decoration. There you have, when I carved the leather, I've secondly dyed this part there, those little triangle, with a different dye that I use on the overall length for make a different color suitable with what I have as references. And I add something which is holes there. Those holes are for sewing what we'll say will be like the lining, the inside of the belt there, or cover the rifted part there, and also have something very strong, very thick. I want it thick for help to simply hold correctly the armor. See the buckles? Well, I didn't make the buckles. I decided to have one made out of iron for be resistant, very resilient, very strong, and with very few chance of breaking. Because during the perform in Paris Games Week, I did break like 2 buckles. During this 5 days, 2 buckles have died, and those buckles were not iron forged like this one. It was just cast, and this one will be, of course, stronger. And see how I did the end. And then I will have to do the holes there in each square for the buckles. Next step is to rivet there the rivets, and then I glue the lining and sew it for make it complete. Back on the belt, you see there is 2 of them, simply because I dislike the look of this one, so I simply prefer to do a new one there. See, the dye haven't been the same. The way I did carve the leather wasn't the same too. This one, which was much more better, the tool is much more appropriate for what I wanted to do, and the overall look is for me far better. So I'll keep that one. Perhaps I will dye it a bit more for make it darker, but pretty sure to keep that one. You have there still the second part, the inside, what say, the lining somehow, and you have there other belts which are on their way to be ready for complete the set. This will be the one for holding the sword, and you have there little loops for hold the belts, 2 belts together. And soon I will do the let's say the sword holder, because it's not a scabbard, and soon you will have updates. Well, you see there that I did already rivet some on the first belt, but well, it looked good. But anyway, I will have this one to be the final piece, so it will be those rivets there. You'll see, it will be great. Belts again. See the main belt, I have now the rivets on it. See how it looks. I really like what I have now. And you see there is the inside, which have been glued. I have now to make holes in it and to sew it to the outside, and it will be ready. With those loops there, I will put together this second belt here, and this belt will be there to hold the, it's not a scabbard, but just a sword holder, this there. It's that large, for be sure to fit in it the cold steel polypropylene plastic cold steel sword that I will use during events, and also of course I will be able to fit in it the real sword, the steel sword that I have for the Warden. It'll be sewed there, together, and the part go there, also make there again, and it goes there. So when I have finished all this, I will show you, and it will be ready.